we get rain, when we get snow. I remember when I first started 10 years ago, I could live stream the Kenai, right? But we don't have races down there anymore. Although the Caribou Hills are in good shape this year so far, but you have to have snow to have races. So we're feeling lucky this year that Mother Nature provided. Here's Emily Robinson. Here's our defending. And she is leading her team out confidently there. Dad's on the runners helping out. Family's helping out, Mom and Dad. Brother's on the trail. Stanley's already out there. Here she comes. Training out of the Nenana area, I believe, still. And here we go. I'll set up right here so you can see the whole team. 11:02 start time for Emily. She had quite the season last year. Won a whole bunch of races and showed what she has. There's Dad right there. There we go. She's moving, focused, eyes down the trail, jaggerbrake on. Here we go. One more team, friends. Emily's the second to last team to head out. There's that rooster tail slowing that team down. There's her signature smaller sled. She doesn't bring those long cargo sleds along. She likes a smaller sled. Last year, she beat Brent with that little Dandler, and that sort of changed people's game up for the next couple of races. They started thinking a little bit more about